Have a harvest-ready mentality. Mangkot ko ha, sa harvest, may unod ng basket, wala pa. Wala pa. Sa harvest, wala pa unod ang basket. Tama? Wala pa unod ang tent. Ang net. Tama? Ang net, ginapabakod na, ginapanami na. Wala pa gani unod. Pero paghaboy mo sa punong, paghaboy mo sa dagat, pagbutong mo, may unod kung wala. May ara. Brothers and sisters, make sure that the net is good. Women's network is good. Men's network is good. Youth network is good. When the net is good, and when you cast it to the sea, and when you pull it back, you will have a harvest. But during harvest time, it begins with nothing. It begins with a zero. Tama po ba? In fact, kung isa ka pamilti ka pa, sa negosyo, hindi ng aton mga business people. Mahatag sila anay sa ila puhunan, mahatag anay sila sa ila kapital. Pirdi na anay, first month, second month, third month, may ROI na. On the 6th month and even on the 3rd year, may ara na ROIs. Utod ko amoy nang ginahambal sa Bible diri. You begin making sure that everything is ready even if nobody is there. Ready your welcoming hearts. Ready an empty chair. Ready a little puto or a siopaw or a bun so that when somebody would come, you bless them. Get ready. Enlarge the place of your tent. From nothing to growing. Hallelujah. Have a welcoming, hospitable spirit because someone paid it all. Ang akong pangamuyo ng Lord, tanan-tanan namon nga na-influensyahan para makadawat kang makabaton sa imo, amo ining amon halad sa imo nga nagpakamatay sa cross sa Kalbaryo. This is your reward. Let's all stand together in the presence of the Lord. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah.